thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my February Vellabox. This is my candle subscription. I absolutely love it. The candles are always so great. One great thing about Vellabox is that they offer 3 different subscription tiers. So like I said, it's a candle subscription and the prices range from $10 to $30 depending on the plan you choose. Whatever plan you do choose, if you wish to subscribe, I do have a promo code that will save you $5 off any of them. So I think that's a great deal. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave the link down below along with the promo code. And yeah, these candles come from like local artisans in the United States. They're all small batch, hand poured, free of any nasty ingredients, and I swear the burn time is amazing on these. So I'm opening up the $30 box today, so I'm gonna get 2 candles. In all of the boxes you do get like a bonus item, which is super great. So I'm not sure what's coming, but I honestly am never disappointed, and I feel like it's always so hard to choose a favorite candle because they always smell so good. So we'll see what we got. Just want to remind you all about any giveaways I have going on. Those are always linked down below in the description box. Yeah, let's get this open and see what we got for February. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. There's always like a nice little quote up here, and the bags always come in these resealable drawstring bag, reusable drawstring bags. They are always so cute. So the quote this month is, "How you love yourself is how you teach others to love you." Rupi Kaur. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And then the design on the bags this month is perfect. It's pink and white, and you know, February is the month of Valentine's Day and love, so the quote was very fitting as well. Looks like there's like some floral design on there. So here is 4-ounce candle and then an 8-ounce. This big guy can barely fit in this bag this month. And then we have our extra items, which look really good, and then a card that gives us some more information. So it says featured favorites. So it looks like our candles this month are coming from Urban Curation, which is based out of Columbus, Ohio. And it says Urban Curation specializes in sleek and modern home decor. They select unique pieces that will elevate your home, and their candle line will make it smell good too. Vellabox subscribers will be the first to enjoy these new scents. How exciting! So let's start with this big candle. Not gonna lie, it took me a second to get it out, but this is cute. The Urban Curation Star-Crossed All-Natural Soy Candle. I like the label. I like little basic pretty labels. Let's take a sniff. Star-Crossed. Oh my god, this smells so good. What is this scent? So Star-Crossed, the fragrance notes are mandarin, cedar, jasmine, sandalwood, and amber. And it is like seriously amazing. It says a sexy scent. It is sexy. A sexy scent that will beautifully complement romantic evenings spent with the one you love. This smooth and rich fragrance will warm you from the inside out. Oh my god, I can't wait to light this. I can't imagine the next candle could compete, but maybe. Let's see, because usually I'm so conflicted. Like I said, I can't choose. So here is the smaller one. This is called Moonlight. Oh, I look at the label. There's like 2 little people sitting by the moon. Very cute. All natural soy candle, 4 ounces. Let's see. This does smell good too. But I think I like the first one the best. But this smells great. So, fragrance notes are citrus, sea salt, ozone, plum, cardamom, amber, and dark musk. What does ozone smell like? But it says it's a dark and mysterious scent that is both masculine and feminine. Imagine a relaxing moonlight bath on a cold winter night accompanied by this aroma. Oh man, they both smell so good. At first I was like, I definitely like this one better, but now I'm like, do I? I don't know. Verdict is they both smell so great. I love the labels, so cute. And I'm going to use those right away. I go through candles so quick. I love burning candles. Now let's talk about our extra items that I'm super excited about. We got some chocolates. So this is what they look like. So these are by TCHO, 70% dark chocolate. Made with Ghana, with rich chocolatey notes. Yum. I'm so excited to eat these. I'm hungry. So these are made in Berkeley, California. And it says TCHO hand selects every ingredient used to craft their chocolates for a great experience from first glance to last bite. Awesome. So like, isn't this so well curated for February? Even the bags, we've got our pink pretty bags. We got our sexy fragrances and some chocolate, perfect for February. So yeah, I love this. Oh my gosh, I just want to keep sniffing my candles. I can't decide. At first I really thought it was star-crossed, but now I'm kind of, I don't know. It's a tie this month. Both candles are great. Again, I'm going to leave the website down below along with that promo code if you're interested. I love this box. Seriously, the best candles ever. But yeah, thank you guys all so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.